G'day, I love my IS200, but what you just saw there, that could be a bit better, which is why I've been shopping and I found this on eBay. This is a gas strut lift kit for the bonnet. Today I'm going to install this lift kit and see how it goes. Well, there's my struts. Instruction manual, which quite clearly says I need to read before assembly. And some mounting stuff. Alright, I've got left brackets for the top and bottom, right brackets, 2 struts, and some new screws, washers, and shake-proof washers. I think I'll fit the right side first. So I'm slipping out the guard screw here. Placing that bracket underneath the rubber and then using the shake-proof, a large washer and the new longer screw. It says to put this end on first. Alright, now let's see if it's actually going to okay, once again, removing that guard bolt with a 10mm socket. Replacing it with the longer bolt, the large washer and the shake-proof washer. need a 12mm socket for the bonnet screw for the bonnet retaining bolts. Clip. Clip. That's the bonnet held up by the power of gas struts alone. Manual stay no longer necessary. I'll just shut that and make sure it all fits together nicely. I've just had a closer look at the instructions and I did actually make a mistake. So I'm going to show you what I did wrong and show you how I fix it. What I did wrong, and I did this incorrectly on both sides, is I installed this bracket upside down. So this L shape is meant to go down there below into the other side of the wiring loom there. So I'm going to rectify that now. And I have, of course, made this mistake on both sides. another test. After fixing my mistake, my gas strut lift kit is now correctly installed. Hopefully that lasts me well into the future. In my opinion, that was a good modification. The only real question is, why didn't I do it sooner? I'll see you in the next one.